That's right. The storm is moving off to the northeast now. It's moving away from the coast there. You can see the activity right there. There is the center of the storm. And here is the future track, which continues to move it off to the northeast. Eventually it begins to weaken. So good news. Claudette is moving out to sea and really nothing else expected to develop in the short term. But we are keeping our eyes on a strong tropical wave that is in the western Atlantic. And the reason this is significant is because we don't want to see strong tropical waves this time of year. In fact, we want to see very weak tropical waves, and usually an indication of an active season is when we start seeing strong tropical waves out in the Atlantic. And behind that one, there is another one way out there just coming off of Africa, another strong tropical wave. I think it's a sign that it is going to be a very busy season. One thing, of course, we watch for is dust, African dust, Saharan dust. Comes off the Saharan desert there. The reason we pay attention to this, and we're in our dust season now, is because dust typically suppresses tropical development as opposed to last year when we had a lot of dust out there. This year, the dust's not quite as extensive, though it is out there, thankfully. Here's a look at our Miami camera this afternoon. Downtown Miami looking pretty good. A little bit of haze out there. The atmosphere very, very moist. 89 right now in Miami, 88 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 87, and Key West. 7 on the stickiness scale, feeling like 98, and the breeze south-southeast at 14, definitely sticky. Today's storms, yesterday we had the severe weather in the afternoon and evening. The activity now over to our north, up around the lake and over on the west coast, and our breeze is just a little bit more southeasterly. Unfortunately, that is not going to last. Feels like temperatures in the upper 90s right now. There's the breeze out of the southeast, and it looks like another day of this southeast breeze is going to keep most of the storms over on the west coast. We'll be looking pretty good, maybe some morning showers here on the east coast. There's the bigger picture, and look at all of the moisture that is draped across central and north Florida. Shows up nicely in the computer models, and it stays there through tomorrow, but then on Wednesday it comes back our way. So Wednesday and Thursday looking pretty stormy. That's Thursday afternoon. Then by the time we get to the weekend, looking pretty good because the ocean breeze picks up and just some spotty showers as that deeper moisture moves on back to the west. Temperatures across the country right now, they're comfortable. Another big cold front is pushed into the middle of the country. 60s and 70s ahead of the front, though pretty warm, 80s and 90s through the south and all the way up into the northeast. Our forecast for tonight, it's not looking too bad, looking pretty summery, warm and muggy, some spotty showers, especially later tonight. A low temperature right around 84 tomorrow. Look for a mix of sun and clouds, mostly morning showers. Activity moves on inland, steamy afternoon sun, high temperature near 91. That feels like temperature right around 100 degrees. On the water, wind southeast at 15, seas running 2 to 4 feet. A moderate chop on the bays and taking us through the rest of the week and into next weekend. Pretty stormy days for Wednesday and Thursday, but by next weekend, not looking too bad. Back to you.